Managing login access for freelancers or contractors can be tricky, especially when you're juggling multiple accounts, projects, and passwords. But with the right tools and practices, you can easily keep track of who has access to your systems and ensure sensitive information stays safe. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to manage login access for freelancers or contractors without the headaches. First off, it's crucial to separate personal and work accounts. For any freelancer or contractor, creating a dedicated account for work access ensures your personal info stays private. This also prevents any accidental changes to sensitive data. When assigning login credentials, always use a platform that allows for easy creation and management of user profiles. We'll get to a tool I recommend in just a minute. Next, use two-factor authentication wherever possible. This adds an extra layer of security, ensuring that even if someone gets hold of a password, they won't be able to log in without a second form of verification. You'd be surprised how much more secure this makes your accounts. Now let's talk about permissions. Don't just give freelancers access to everything. Be specific about what they need. Limit their access to only the areas of your system they'll be working in. This reduces the risk of mistakes or security breaches. For example, if they're handling financials, make sure they only have access to the financial tools they need and nothing else. One big tip, use password management software. It's an absolute game changer. Rather than having to remember or share passwords manually, a password manager stores them securely and allows you to share access safely without exposing sensitive details. And when a contractor finishes their work, you can remove their access in just a few clicks. No need to change passwords across the board. The software we'll be using in this video allows you to manage freelancer access, set permissions, and ensure all accounts are secure with ease. I've tried all the most popular software options, and this one stands out because it's simple, intuitive, and gives you full control. Plus, there's a special free trial for viewers of my channel. You can grab it in the description below if you want to follow along. Also, make sure to regularly audit your account access. Check which freelancers or contractors have access, and ensure they still need it. If not, revoke it immediately. This keeps your accounts clean and minimizes the chance of outdated or unused permissions slipping through the cracks. In conclusion, to effectively manage login access for freelancers or contractors, make sure you create separate accounts for work, use two-factor authentication, limit access to only what's necessary, use a password manager, and regularly audit access permissions. These simple steps will help you maintain control and security. And as a quick reminder, take advantage of the exclusive free trial for the software I recommend in the description. It's an easy way to implement everything I've mentioned today and streamline your login access management. The key takeaway? Keep login access tight and controlled, using secure tools to protect your business and personal info. Review permissions regularly and don't hesitate to revoke access when it's no longer needed. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.